welcome back to my channel. It's Yale, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another video with Niawigs, and I'm excited for this one because if you guys haven't seen going around on YouTube now, there's a new trend for the headband wig. It's super quick, effective. Like, you don't have to put much effort into this wig. There's no real blending or anything like that. You can really just throw it on and go, and especially for like quarantine and things like that, like this is the perfect go-to wig. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into this. So here's the box. It's from Niawigs, like I said, and this is their new headband wig, and I was looking forward to this coming. I was so excited. I could not wait. So in the package, mine came with all of the headbands. You can select different headbands on the website of what you would like to come with it, or you can use your own. The wig will of course have its own standard black headband attached to it, and then you can put different headbands over it. So I have this really cute cheetah one, I have this black and white one, this red, black, and like a teal. So those are the different options that are on the website. And of course, as usual, it comes with a detangling brush, wig cap, and then the hair. So I got mine in the body wave, and this is 18 inches human hair. I got a cap size small, and it is in natural black. So this is what the hair looks like. Really pretty, nice bouncy body wave hair, 18 inches. It feels very soft, and like I said, it's human hair, and it does have the headband that is attached to it. That's the basic headband that comes with it, and it is Velcro, so it just snaps to make everything easy. And then it also has the combs inside to attach to your head, and then the adjustable strap as well if you need to make it any tighter. Okay, and then to prep my natural hair, because I did want a little bit showing, just to make it look a little bit more natural, I did slick my hair back into just this low bun. It's not the neatest bun, but you're not going to see much of my head out anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this wig cap on. And as always, you guys, I will have a discount code so you guys can save some money off of any wig that you want on the website. $15 off with code yalon15. Alright, got my wig cap. Oh, it comes with 2 wig caps. One fell out, but okay, let me do it from the back. Alright, and I unstrapped the Velcro. Okay, I want it like right here. And then you just snap it in the back for the Velcro. Pull it a little bit closer. This is what it looks like. I'm of course going to adjust it a little bit just so it looks a little bit more put together. But fresh out the box, this is what it looks like. So nice little body wave. And of course you can straighten this hair too, so I'm probably going to straighten it out some too because I want to see what it looks like straight. Okay, so I just pulled it closer to my head because my peanut head was going crazy. It was looking too much like a peanut. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the top out some, but this hair is super soft. Look how easy it was just to put this wig on. I just left little baby hairs out. You don't have to leave much of this hair out at all. So it's very minimal, and I like that about it. Super soft. The wig cap fits me perfectly. I get a small now to my wig caps because Before, when I was getting the medium, it was just way too big. This is the length of the hair. So yeah, I'm gonna see what it looks like straight, but I also want to show you guys some of these headband options. This hair will look really cute too if you put curls in it. So this is the first headband. This is really cute. Y'all, this is such a go-to hairstyle. This is effortless. You don't have to do nothing. I might not straighten this hair. I'm gonna leave it just body wave. Just enjoy that natural wave look, but of course, like I said, you can straighten it. I'll probably just go over the top a little bit more though. But this first headband is really cute. I love this. This is really cute. This is really like a throw on wig, like so effortless. You don't gotta do nothing. And you can pair it with all your favorite headbands, because you can fold that little black headband that's attached to it and just do whatever you please with it. Look at that, y'all. So effortless. I like how much, like, the more I brush it out, the more natural it's just looking. Just effortless body wave. It's about to be my little go-to wig, okay? This is cute. Okay, let me go on to the other headbands. The dark blue one. This is really cute. I feel like you can even wear it turban style, like over your head, like this. You can do that kind of look. Okay. So this one looks so cute. I'm gonna do the top now. It honestly doesn't need much. Like, the hair is so soft, silky. I feel like you can flip this over. You can do a little flip over. Tight look. I got like that little messy beach wave look. You can even curl this hair too, like if you want to add some wand curls, you can definitely do that. Cute. Y'all, this wig is so fire. Like, even you could do like a little half up, half down look with the, oh, this is cute, girl. This is effortless. Like, you don't gotta do barely any work to make this wig look cute. This is just a little loose idea. I'm not really actually doing it, but if you wanted to, do you a little half up. You can make it look cuter than this. I'm just like roughly showing y'all. I think the red headband is my favorite so far. Y'all, this wig is about to be my go-to. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the white headband. I really like this red one. This is so cute. I have to retouch my baby hairs after this, but like I said, you don't even have to do much hair out. Like, you could have this headband go all the way up to here, but I just feel like if you just at least leave a little bit out, it just looks a little more natural. Once again, you could do like this. I don't know, you can just switch this hair up in so many different ways. Like, there's so many ways to style this. Like, if you really don't have time to do your natural hair, get a headband wig, because I've been tired lately. My hair just keeps getting thicker and thicker, and I'm just like, I need a break sometimes. This white one's cute too. It's white and black. You can even put this hair up and like a bun. I'm trying not to get it all tangled, messing around with it too much, but you could do like a little loose bun. On top. Or a cute little high pony would be cute. Make sure you get this back here. Could do a little pony. Like I said, you'd have to perfect it to your liking, but you can pull this hair up. Like if you get too hot, you can definitely pull it up. You can put it in a little bun, a ponytail. I'm just not trying to mess it up too much because it's cute. And I don't want my hair all tangled. But you can tell this hair is like not the kind of hair that's about to get tangled. They have so many different options. They have a completely straight one. They have a yaki straight. They have curly. There's so many different options for the headband wig. But I wanted specifically some body wave hair just because I like the loose effortlessness of it. And then the last headband I have is the cheetah leopard looking one. So this is the last one. Super cute. And you can always buy your own headbands if you don't want to buy any off of the website. You can always buy your own headbands and use what you have as well. So I feel like if you put it to the side too, you could do a little side look. Does that look crazy? No. I love how effortless body wave hair is. It's just effortless. Alright, so it's the last one. So cute, y'all. So cute. So yeah, guys, definitely make sure you check out Niawigs.com. This is my new go-to wig for sure. I love this. I really do. I really love this. This is so cute. Make sure you check out Niawigs. They will be down in the description box below. Make sure to use my discount code to save money off your purchase. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.